100% of the people out there around the world have had iodine deficiency at some time. So you absolutely have to supplement it. Perfect Iodine is the solution to solve that problem. This is the perfect form at the perfect dosage that goes into your system and floods every single cell in your body with iodine. You'll see what I'm talking about when you add this to your body. Your brain lights up. Your endocrine system produces the proper hormones. Your thyroid loves it. Your immune system and your gut health are perfected with Perfect Iodine. It is simple to use. All you do is add it to water. You can even take it straight, but I like to put it in water. You put it in there, it has a beautiful taste. It's not like the iodine you're familiar with for cuts and so on. This is the purest form of I2 molecular iodine. So shop now and get activated with Perfect Iodine.